Hello everyone, welcome back to General Health Tips for Everyone. Today, we're talking about one of the most important topics for aging well: what strengthens bones the most in older adults. As we age, bones naturally lose density, but the good news is this: you can rebuild and strengthen them with simple daily habits. Let's dive into the top scientifically supported ways to keep your bones strong and stable. Number 1, calcium. This is the building block of every bone in your body. Older adults need about 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium daily. You can get this from foods like milk, yogurt, cheese, leafy greens, almonds, and sardines. When your body gets enough calcium, your bones stay firm, strong, and resistant to fractures. Number 2, vitamin D. Without it, your body cannot absorb calcium properly. The best natural source is sunlight. Just 15 to 20 minutes daily can boost vitamin D levels. You can also find it in salmon, tuna, egg yolks, fortified foods, or supplements recommended by your doctor. Vitamin D plus calcium together equals maximum bone strength. Number 3, weight-bearing exercises. These activities force your bones to hold your body weight, which stimulates bone growth. Examples include walking, jogging, dancing, climbing stairs, and light hiking. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day can dramatically improve bone density. Number 4, resistance training. Using light dumbbells, resistance bands, or even bodyweight exercises helps strengthen hips, back, arms, and spine. These are the areas most affected by age-related bone loss. 2 to 3 sessions per week is enough to rebuild bone strength over time. Number 5, supportive nutrients: magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K2. These help your body move calcium into your bones and keep it there. Find these nutrients in bananas, avocados, leafy greens, whole grains, eggs, chicken, and fermented foods. They work silently but powerfully to improve bone density. Number 6, omega-3 fatty acids. They reduce bone-weakening inflammation and protect bone cells. You can get omega-3s from salmon, sardines, walnuts, and flaxseed. Now, what should older adults avoid? Excess salt, too much soda, smoking, heavy drinking, long periods of sitting, and low-protein diets. These habits drain calcium from your bones and speed up bone loss. Replacing them with healthier routines can quickly improve bone strength. So what strengthens bones the most? The most effective combination is calcium plus vitamin D plus weight-bearing exercise plus strength training plus magnesium. This powerful routine helps prevent fractures, improves balance, and keeps older adults active and independent for longer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more natural health advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more weekly health tips videos right here on General Health Tips for Everyone.